Hello, and welcome to this new video about pantacles.
Pantacles or pentacles?
A pentacle with an E is a specific type of pentacle with an A, which refers to any geometric form enclosed within a hole. Pan, in Greek, means all or everything. Penta means 5, as in pentagon. A pentacle is therefore a pentagram, or a 5-pointed star, which we will explore in Chapter 77, enclosed within a circle. It is worth noting that the pentagram is the first regular and continuous star-shaped figure. The hexagram, which we will explore in Chapter 36, is not a continuous star-shaped figure because it is composed of 2 triangles. However, the regular and continuous heptagrams, which we will discover in Chapter 108, are 2 in number, while among the 2 regular octograms presented in Chapter 64, only one is continuous because the other one is formed by the superposition of 2 squares. The last figure shown here is an irregular octagram, but it is not enclosed within a circle, therefore, it is not a pentacle. If the circle is too small, it is not a pentacle. If it is larger, it still works, but ideally the circle should touch the outer points of the shape. You can enclose a form within one circle, or even several circles. The effect will not be the same. Thank you for watching this video.
See you soon for more discoveries on our channel, Sacred Geometry.